The story of the peace advocate. In a quiet corner of this troubled planet, Suleiman al-Nouri was born, a man of humble appearance but profound vision, radiating faith and patience. Since childhood, he would ask, "Why do we fight? Why are the innocent displaced? Can't we all live in peace?" Suleiman grew older, and so did his dream. No to war, no to destruction, no to the displacement of the innocent. He believed that wars and greed were fires kindled within the soul long before they scorched the earth. With kind words, inspiring speeches, and a free pen, Suleiman traveled the world calling, "Peace is a right for all. Humanity is too noble to be fuel for the greed of the powerful." He constantly repeated, "This chaotic Bohemian era that our world is passing through is not destiny. It's man-made, and we have the power to change it." He dedicated his life to reconciliation between peoples and to uplifting the voice of the weak. He believed that every sincere heartbeat for peace lights a candle on the path to change. After years of patience and struggle, the world began to listen. A war ceased. Some of the displaced returned home. Children planted trees in fields that once echoed with gunfire. In his final speech at the United Nations, he said, "Don't wait for a leader to bring peace. Be the peace.